Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to sit down and review the Batman collection with Kylie Cosmetics by Kylie Cosmetics. I just recently got onto Kylie Cosmetics PR and I'm so excited and I'm so blessed to receive packages like this one because you guys support me. So I just really appreciate you guys showing up for me today. And I'm going to take you guys through the entire collection. I have not played with any of these products. I've been waiting for this video specifically. It comes in a tin container like this. It is their PR box, which I believe is available for purchase. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And if you guys decide to purchase anything through my link, I do earn commission, which supports me and my kids. And I just thank you so much for showing up for me today and supporting me. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's review. We're going to be creating an eye look and also just taking you guys through the entire PR package. So let's get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, let's get started with the collection overview. Let me take off this top part. So it looks like we have the Kylie Jenner highlighter. This is what the packaging looks like. And this one is in the color Gotham City, or that's just the name of it. Let's take it out. And this is the highlighter. Hold on, I just put on my press-on nails right now for this video. So it does have a mirror inside of it, and this is the highlighter. Honestly, I hope this one works well for my complexion. It has like a bluish, like purplish reflect to it. I don't know, I just feel like this would work best for light skin tones, but we'll see how it looks. All right, and then next we have the eyeshadow palette. This is what the packaging looks like. You have Batman and Robin on here. And then you have the eyeshadow names over on the back. Usually her eyeshadow names are inside of the palette as well. So let's hope that that's the case with this one. I just feel like I enjoy an eyeshadow palette that has the names inside of it so that when I take you guys through a tutorial, you guys know which eyeshadows I am using. Ooh, this is a cute comic book. So the eyeshadow palette actually looks like the packaging as well. Let me get this opened up. Hopefully I don't drop it. So here is a palette. You guys can see that this part right here, oh, hold on, pointing to the wrong part. This part right here is actually the mirror. You just have to peel off Batman. But I don't know, I kind of like that on there. And these are all the shades that come in here. So you have your browns, which you can create very neutral looks. The shimmers look stunning. And I'm going to share with you guys the swatches of all of these shades, which I think are pretty wearable. You can definitely deepen up some looks with the darker colors from the palette and create smoky eye looks. I don't normally ever gravitate towards blues, but if you're into that, this is what you're gonna get from this palette. These are all the swatches once again. And yeah, let's move along to the next one, which is the Kylie Jenner lip set. This is what the lip set looks like. How come that one looks shorter? They're little, they're cute. So again, I don't know how often I'll be wearing this blue one. Let me swatch it next to the highlighter. This is a great lip topper actually. It looks blue in here, but it just gives you like really pretty reflex, so it would go great with any lip color and it just adds sparkle to it. By the way, that one was in the color Pow. Now let's move along to a color that I would see myself using. It's called, oh shit, it's called Catwoman. That right there is Catwoman, and I think this one would be a liquid lipstick. We'll see if it dries down into a liquid lipstick, but that's a really pretty color right there. And then this next one is called Bat, which is a muted pink, and this one is definitely a gloss. So there you have it. You can't even see the muted pink with my complexion. Like, it just blends in really well with my skin tone. Again, that one is Batwoman, and then this is Pow. And these three are the lip sets that you'll receive if you purchase this. In the PR box, you can go ahead and remove this top part. And then you have more products in here. So this one right here is the mini eyeliner set. Let me take it out. This eyeliner set consists of like a minty green eyeliner, a blue one, and a black one. Disregard this. I tried to get the lipstick off with some makeup remover and it was kind of difficult to come off, and that one was the color Catwoman. But anyway, I wanted to swatch the eyeliners for you guys, and I want to say that they were not the easiest to glide on, and they are also like metallic liners. They're not matte. So that is everything that comes inside of this collection. Oh, actually we have the makeup bag, which I forgot to show you guys. It's a good size and I think it fits everything. I do not think that the eyeshadow palette would fit in here. Let me see. Yeah, the palette would definitely not fit inside of the makeup bag. But yeah, that's everything in the collection. Now I want to show you guys everything in action. Let's get started with the tutorial. It is extremely windy, so if you guys pick that sound up in the background, can't do anything about Mother Nature. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and prime the lids using the Rare Beauty eye primer. And I'm gonna take this little mini Hip Dot beauty sponge. And I did mention to you that I don't normally gravitate towards blues, but I feel like I have to. This is like a Batman eyeshadow palette, and there's just no way to avoid the blues. So we're gonna start with using some browns, and I think we're gonna do like a cut crease using the blues. So those are my intentions. Let's get started. Okay, so I am gonna peel Batman, unfortunately, from the mirror. Only because I need a mirror like up close, and the one that I have right here is a little too far. I can use this to make sure it's symmetrical, but I need something up close like that. The first color I'm going to pick up is called Bat Signal, and that's this dark brown eyeshadow from the palette. And as you guys can see, I'm using a flat, fluffy packing brush like this one. This does not have a number on it, but I know it's from damn it, I can't. Olimar Cosmetics from BOXYCHARM's box. 1 month. Again, I haven't received BOXYCHARM in so long, but I kind of got over making videos for them because I don't know. I don't know if you guys have noticed how many complaints they have. I don't know, maybe you guys are having good experiences, but I look at the comments for BOXYCHARM and they have a lot of complaints, and I'm like, I'm over here receiving it for free and getting semi-good experience with them. And meanwhile, you guys are spending money because I'm promoting it. Or maybe, you know, I don't know. I'm not saying that you guys just listen to me and like you guys go get BOXYCHARM, but I'm just having a little venting moment. I would not want to promote a brand that does not have great customer service for you guys. So that's why I kind of stopped posting for them, and then they just kind of stopped sending me stuff because I wasn't posting. It wasn't beneficial, basically, bottom line. But anyway, you guys, look at this eyeshadow color. That is really pretty. We're definitely going to deepen this up using the black eyeshadow, but this is a good starting color. Very pretty and very minimal fallout. Do I have any fallout? No fallout as of yet. Okay, so next we're going to use the Morphe M456 brush. This brush is kind of similar to the last one. So if you were wondering what brush I was using with the Olimar one, if you can't find it, you can definitely find the Morphe M456 brush. And I'm going to be taking, I think I'm going to take this light brown color. It's called He Returns. We're going to be overlapping the last one, really blending everything out. So first deposit the color, slowly start blending. If you guys missed my last video, I reviewed the Kylie Cosmetics Kris Jenner collection. That one was great, I loved it. You guys check it out by clicking that link that pops up at the top so you can be redirected. That literally blended out so nice. You guys can see it was very effortless. Now I do want to go back in with that dark brown called Bat Signal. And we're going to deposit that color a little bit more in the crease and start blending out the edges a little bit more, adding more intensity. I'm taking this brush from Sigma. It's the number E42, and it's a very condensed, fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to be picking up the color Batmobile, which is the black eyeshadow from the palette. We're going to begin to apply this color at the crease to really create a defined crease when we cut it. And this one, I'm experiencing fallout. Oh god, it's black too. Oh shit. Let's go back with that previous brush, the one we used to apply the dark brown, and begin blending out the edges a little bit more. I'm taking some micellar water and a Q-tip to remove the eyeshadow from the eyelid because it is a dark color and we don't want it to bleed through when we apply the next color on the eyelid. So just removing it like so. Okay, and then I'm going to take the dry side of the Q-tip and dry this all off so that we can apply either concealer or an eyeshadow base. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow once again, and I'm going to take a pencil brush. This one does not, oh actually it's the Luxie 217 brush. And I'm going to go back into the crease area just to deepen it up a little bit more, just like that. And then we have to go back into the brown eyeshadow just to diffuse the edges. I'm going to use the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer to cut my crease. I'm just going to be placing it onto the eyelid like so, and taking my most popular cut crease brush. I always have it linked down below in my FAQ section of my description box. And again, this one is a painting brush. I just love how it creates a really perfect cut crease. It's very crisp and definitely recommend. And what I did is I grabbed some of the concealer from the lid and then used whatever is on the bristles to create the guide. Once we have the guide, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to begin to distribute the concealer all throughout my eyelid, making sure that I do stay underneath the guide. Now I'm taking the color Batcave, and I'm also using the Porefessional Super Setter to make sure that I prevent any fallout, especially with a shimmer. So I'm going to spray the brush after I applied the eyeshadow to the bristles. And with this color, I'm going to focus it on this area right here. Dipping back in to the eyeshadow. I do need to add a little bit more spray. I'm still experiencing a little bit of fallout. Do your absolute best to stay underneath the guide. You don't want to go above the sharpness of the crease. That is a beautiful color, but I'm definitely experiencing a lot of fallout. I should have put powder underneath my eye for future reference. If you do follow along with this tutorial, I highly recommend doing your eye makeup first or using some setting powder underneath your eye so that you can just dust it off as soon as you're done with your eyeshadow. So I just applied a little bit of powder. Well, actually that's a hefty amount. And then we are going to pick up the next color, which is this one here called Under the Mask. It's a dark blue royal shimmer. And with this one as well, we are going to be spraying the brush. If you guys have watched me for some time, you guys know that I don't like seeing two colors be separated, like just like a division between colors. I like them to really blend into each other, giving it a gradient effect. So I really take my time when it comes to blending out both shades that I'm combining and creating that transition. So go in very softly until you break up that line. And then I'm so tempted to use this color, which is called City Needs Me. It's a silver shadow, shimmer shadow. So I'm taking it with the same exact brush. I'm using this one for all three colors. I'm just wiping it between each shade. And I'm also going to be spraying this color. This one is going to be going into this inner corner to really brighten things up. Okay, and next I'm just going to be picking up colors that I've already used, starting with the dark brown shadow. I'm going to be taking the Sigma E20 E42 brush and using the brown shadow called Bat Signal to close up this outer corner. We're going to close it up, make sure that we don't see any of that shimmer really popping through. Once we've done that, I'm going to take the pencil brush and use the black eyeshadow to darken up this bottom outer corner right here. I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush and taking the color He Returns, which is this brown shade right here, to soften up the edges of what we just did right here. For the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the color, what color is this? Oh, these don't have names on it. Right, but anyway, it's the minty green looking one. Definitely looks a lot greener than minty. I thought it was gonna look mintier. And now we're gonna take the blue matte shade, which is called Superhero. And with this color, I'm going to use it to smudge out the eyeliner quite a bit. I'm also going to pick up the color Bat Signal, which is the dark brown from the palette, and just apply it to the outer corner, like so, really tying everything together. So that's it for the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, some lashes, do the other eye off of camera, and we'll come back and play with the rest of the products that came in this collection. We're back now. We're going to go ahead and apply the Gotham City highlighter. Let's see how this looks on my skin tone. Ooh, this is very, very powdery. I have so much texture right now. I'm breaking out like crazy. So highlighter is not my best friend right now. For lip product, I definitely cannot do this nude one unless I'm wearing lip liner, and I don't really just gravitate towards nudes like this one. And then this one would make a great lip topper on top of this liquid lipstick. So I think that that's what we're doing. This one again is in the color Catwoman. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry down, and then we're going to put the lip topper. And that is it for today's review of the Kylie Cosmetics Batman collection. I definitely had so much fun playing around with the palette, the most out of everything, because this look is just really pretty. I don't normally play with blues, but when I do, girl, I end up with this type of look. If you guys did enjoy this look, this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up down below so that, you know, it pushes my video to new viewers. And, you know, I'm just so grateful that we're at 15K here on my channel. We're on the road to 100K, and I know that I will definitely get there. I appreciate you guys spending time with me today. Let me know what you guys are most excited to get your hands on from this collection. And if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below and I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience. I just recently quit my part-time job so that I can make this my full-time job. So we're going to be here more on YouTube. Thank you so much once again for being here, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.